Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to go over PebbleSheen samples and what color A&A pop-up heads go best with PebbleSheen colors. Alright, we're back. So, when dealing with PebbleText, PebbleSheen, they have a variety of colors. And I know sometimes it can be complicated to see or to figure out which color pop-up head is going to go best with that color PebbleSheen. So let's go ahead and dive on in. We work with PebbleSheen, PebbleTech very closely. They've actually kind of gone over us what colors they recommend as well. So we're gonna use a lot of their recommendations, a lot of our recommendations. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Today we're using A&A Manufacturing pop-up heads. We're using the Gamma 4s. This is the newest one that they offer as of 2019. So I don't know when you're watching this video, but it's 2019 and we're gonna dive in with these colors and what we recommend on your PebbleSheen. So let's start. A lot of these are gonna get very repetitive because Pebble ultimately comes in a lot of grays. There's a couple variances, whites, blacks, and everything else, but a lot of these are grays. So first things first, we're gonna start with Blue Granite. With Blue Granite, we recommend light gray pop-up heads. So it goes together really well. And as you're gonna notice here, we're inputting photos here, somewhere up here, of what these pebble samples look like when they're in water. Because when pebble samples are, when I show you these pebble samples, that's one color, but when they get wet, they're a completely different color. And that's what you're gonna wanna reference is when these pebble samples are wet, because obviously your pebble is gonna be wet all the time. So you wanna reference your wet pebble versus the pop-up head. Pop-up heads will not change color. So this is what you get. Let's move on. French gray. We highly recommend light gray. French gray is a very light gray color underneath water, so we recommend light gray. Aqua blue. It's a very light, faint blue, but a lot of grays, so we recommend light gray. Blue surf. Blue surf's a new color. We really like blue surf. It's actually really, really cool. With this one, with A&A, they have a Euro blue, which kind of looks unique. You could try to do that. It looks pretty cool, I guess, but what most people do is use light gray because this does have a little bit of gray in it. It's hard for you guys to tell in the samples here, so I would say either Euro blue or light gray. Slate blue. So as you see, it's got a lot of blue specks in it. However, most of the crete that's on the inside is gray, so we highly recommend light gray. Prism blue. So Prism blue has a lot of grays. It's got blues, blacks, all kinds of stuff in there. So we're kind of torn also with this one is you can use light gray or dark gray, but if I had to choose one, I would choose dark gray with Prism blue because it does darken up quite aggressively when it's underneath water. Turtle Bay. Dark gray for sure. This is a very dark color of Pebble. Dark gray will look the best. Bordeaux. Bordeaux is going to darken up, so also we recommend dark gray A&A pop-up heads. Seafoam green and Irish mist, two of the ugliest colors of PebbleSheen you can buy. Sorry, PebbleTech. I hate these. They're terrible. They're gross. Sorry if you have this in your pool. I'm not trying to offend you, but they're green. You don't want a green pool. You want a blue pool. So these green pools, we're going to go with light gray. Of all the colors that they have, light gray will look the best for you for these two green. We have seafoam green, so you can see what that looks like underwater. And then we've also got Irish mist, so you can see what that looks like underwater. We recommend light gray. Oh, got the Leaning Tower of samples over here. All right, let's get to some more interesting colors. So we have got Desert Gold. So Desert Gold is an in-betweener with A&A as well. So they offer a tan, and a gold pop-up head. So we have tan and gold here. When it's wet, let me see here. I'm probably gonna go with gold. I'm gonna go with gold. Yeah, going with that one. That's the winner. So if you have Desert Gold, gold pop-up head. That kind of works. All right, Ocean Blue. Ocean Blue is another weird one. It's got a lot of blacks in it. It's got a lot of grays in it. So dark gray, because A&A does have a darker version of a dark gray head than other manufacturers. Black may go with it, but I'm gonna go with dark gray for their Ocean Blue PebbleSheen. I think that would look the best. Black Onks, black for sure. So black Onks, it gets real dark underneath water. We're gonna go with black pop-up heads. And now we have 3 white ones. Very easy. So we have Arctic White, we have White Diamonds, and Cool Blue. So let's start with Cool Blue. Cool Blue, white pop-up head. It's gonna almost look like plaster. We have White Diamonds, white pop-up head. Looks like white plaster. Arctic White is real white. So we're gonna go with real white. So that's PebbleSheen. That's the A&A pop-up heads. Realistically, we only use a couple colors of the A&A pop-up heads with PebbleSheen. However, we highly recommend using these colors that we just showed you here today, because ultimately you don't want your pop-up heads to stick out. As much as we love pop-up heads at our company, we don't want to see them in our pool. We want to just see Pebble. We want to see that endless surface that you guys pay a lot of money for. PebbleSheen is an incredible surface, so we highly recommend these colors with PebbleSheen to kind of disappear in your water. So I'm Jacob, the ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.